Now, I've been testing out the Apple Watch Series 10 for the last few weeks amongst other wearables from Samsung, Google, Garmin and Polar. But there's one app that's helping me keep all of my runs and workouts together, and that app is called Strava. And in this video, I'll show you how to sync your Apple Watch activities to Strava. Now to do this, first open up the Strava app on your iPhone, go into the Use section at the bottom, then select the settings icon in the top right corner, then manage apps and devices, health, then select this plus sign. Now tap connect on the next screen. You'll then be taken to the health access page where you can enable the sharing of data between Strava to Apple Health. Now you can control what type of information Strava will be able to see from the Apple Health app. Now just remember that you need to enable the workouts option here for sharing any form of cycling, running, calories data, etc. between Strava and Apple Health. Now remember that this is a two-way sync and that you can not only sync between the Apple Health app to Strava, but also from Strava to the Apple Health app. Now firstly, to sync activities from Apple Health to Strava, go back into the settings page on the Strava app, then manage apps and devices, health, and then toggle the automatic uploads option on. Now this will automatically sync activities recorded from the Apple Watch that is synced to your Apple Health app directly to Strava. Now be aware that this only syncs activities from the last 30 days from the Apple Health app to Strava rather than the entire history. Now to sync activities from Strava to the Apple Health app, go back into the settings page on the Strava app, then manage apps and devices, health, and then toggle the send to health option on. Now this enables Strava to send data to Apple Health including activity type, distance, route data, calories and so on. Now just be mindful that any route data from another platform synced to Strava, say for example if you were using a Garmin Forerunner watch, that route data will not be pulled through to the Apple Health app. And that's it, your Apple Health app and Strava should now be connected to each other. Now you also have the option of just downloading Strava directly onto your Apple Watch, recording an activity using that app and then automatically uploading the activity to Strava as soon as you're in close proximity to your iPhone. So that's how you sync your Apple Watch activities to Strava. Now, if you want to watch my full in-depth review of the Apple Watch Series 10 as well as a competitor brand that might just about convince you to switch from the Apple Watch, I'll place those videos around me just now, and don't be shy from pressing that subscribe button, especially if you don't want to miss out on my epic comparison between the Apple Watch Series 10, Garmin's Venue 3, the Pixel Watch 3 as well as Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 to find out which smartwatch is coming out on top this year. See you in the next one.